to hear this sizzling. Is that clear? And as soon as we stop pouring, we will gently starting to turn. Grapes don't look. When is it cooked? When from liquid it turns into solid, it's dry, it's time to flip it. How do you flip it? You lift the pan, you move it away from the stove on a bench and you flip it. So we count to 3, and when we say 3, from this angle I'm gonna make a jar. So push it 1, 2, and 3, okay? And you on the handle?
Can I just straight away spin? Wait. No, not 12. You have to make it.
Very nice. Yes. Yes. So what's happening now? Make sure that your friends move away. So that because you're in Vegas and it's not safe for you. It's like a beginner, right?
Moving in the pan.
Like that. I can smell it burning.
Yeah, that's alright. The lady's behind you.
It doesn't matter, let's try.
Just take it off the meat, put it on.
Down! Olivia, down! Yeah, now put it.
Yeah, go down. Okay, yes, you can go.
Very good.
Okay, now you can
Nice. Yeah, go.
And then fold it in twice.
Yeah, it needs to be super sizzling. No, don't put it on.
Okay, that's good enough. Okay.
Okay. Leave it on.